Okay, I'm gonna try to do this in a way that everybody can see it. So obviously you'll put this is Meteor75 Pro. We're gonna show you how to take the motors through these little slots, so that way you can have them soldered to your board without it being in the frame. So you take your motors through this first section of your frame, obviously, and you get your board separated from the frame. And then here's the part that everybody seems to not have luck with. You actually put the shaft through first. It's kind of a process, but it works. So, as you can see on the other side, the shaft is through. And once you get it through, you'll kind of push and rotate. And see how the battery tray is already pushing. That's all it's going to do. It's plastic. It's not going to hurt anything. You just push it. Boom. There's one through. I'll do a second one to show you again. Put the motor shaft through first. You want to keep your motor wires out, and they'll go through in the middle or last. So it's facing like straight down. The motor shaft is through. Kind of twist and push, and they pop right through. Hope this helps somebody.